My warmest welcome to our beloved lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is Dinesh Shanmugavelu. My matrix number is 01DEM20F2019. Let me introduce my group members. Noor Sharafana Batrisha binti Muhammad Sharel. Her matrix number is 01DEM20F2015. Muhammad Yusamrin bin Muhammad Yusmadi. His matrix number is 01DEM20F2017. Rockwell Analalaki Edward Anthony. His matrix number is 01DEM20F2018. We are from class DEM3 and we are going to present practical task A, Rockwell test. Rockwell hardness test. Hardness can be defined as the resistance of material to local plastic deformation on the application of some external load or stress, scratch, indentation or abrasion. Although hardness is not a fundamental property of material, hardness testing is widely used in industries because of its simplicity, faster result, near NDT testing properties, cheap procedure, and many more advantages. Also, it can give a qualitative relationship to other material properties like strength, ductility, rigidity, and etc. Rockwell hardness test is one of the static hardness testing methods using indentation depth as a measuring criterion. Basically, two types of indentator are used. One, diamond spheroconical indentator with an angle of 120 and a spherical tip of 0.2 mm. Second is steel ball indentator with diameters as 1/16, 1/8, 1/4 or 1/2 inches. Rockwell test works on the principle of major and minor load, where we first apply a minor load 10 kg for regular test and 3 kg for superficial test to the sample that minimizes the surface preparation and minor defects. Then a major load is applied for some dwell time, which is removed after the dwell period, and a differential depth is observed.
Hello to my lecturer and my fellow friends. I am Rockwell, son of Edward Anthony. I am from DEM3 and my matric number is 01DEM20F2018. Today I am here to present about the procedure of Rockwell test. Here are the procedures. Procedure number 5.1. As the picture shows, first push the on button to turn on the green display. 5.2. Tighten the anvil holder screw and place the suitable anvil into the anvil hole. 5.3. After that, unscrew the ring rod and replace the penetrator indenter with one that is more appropriate. 5.4. Select the right scale between HRA and HRG by using the scale button, either minus scale or plus scale. 5.5. Turn the wrench to the set the load until the mobile indication matches the load requirement. 5.6. Place the sample on the anvil after that. 5.7. Raise the test sample using the hand wheel until it comes into contact with the penetrator or indenter. When the display shows the slowly crank the hand wheel until it becomes to contact and the stop message appears. Push the lever to the back of the machines and the back in front of you to read the display screen's result. 5.8. Remove the specimen from the penetrator or indenter by turning the hand wheel, then repeat the method 5.7 for an additional 4 points. That's all from me. Thank you.
Why Rockwell test is better than Brenner and Vickers test? First of all, it is because the Rockwell tests are much more quicker and cheaper than the Brenner and Vickers test. Second, the Rockwell test requires no material prep. And lastly, hardness value is easily readable without any extra equipment, making this one of the most commonly used methods of measuring metal hardness.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ushamrin bin Muhammad Usmadi. My matrix number is 01DEM20F2017. So today, I'm gonna discuss about question 3, which is Rockwell test is a non-destructive or disruptive test, and the application in the current industry. Rockwell test is a non-destructive test, and it used for soft as well as hard samples. Rockwell test is used in industry, which is offshore, oil and gas, pipeline, aerospace, mining, and others. This Rockwell test is widely used for evaluating the mechanical properties of metal and the other materials.
Conclusion. With the help of this experiment, we have been able to relate how hardness of steel samples is affected by variation in carbon content and the rate of cooling applied on the sample. From this experiment, we can conclude that Rockwell hardness of steel specimen increases with increase in the carbon content, keeping the cooling rate constant. Rockwell hardness of a steel specimen increases with increase in the cooling rate, keeping the carbon content constant.